Hi everyone, introducing an exciting opportunity from NASCOM, which is AI Code Sarathi. Explore the Engineer Excel. So AI Code Sarathi by NASCOM is designed to help developers confidently use AI in their everyday development workflows. From writing code and testing to deploying applications, the program equips participants with the practical skills to apply AI across software development cycles. So the initiative bridges this skill gap by enabling developers to move beyond simply using AI tools and learn how to apply them with intent, from understanding AI-assisted workflows to building solutions and showcasing their capabilities through a structured Explore Engineer Excel journey. So the last date for application is September 5th, 2026. So they have various rewards: comprehensive AI learning, hands-on learning experience. They have a blockchain-backed certificate. They provide you with learning resources, agentic AI hackathon access. Then they have help you solve real-world AI problems. So who can participate in it? Developers and leads, corporate and teams, startups and founders. So by the end of the program, you will be able to master AI prototyping, optimize daily velocity, ship secure code, architect software development lifecycle pipelines. So it's a great opportunity for you. So if you like this video, please do leave a like, and for such exciting opportunities from around the globe, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's known as IdeaMela. Thank you very much.